Hello, and another trading robot review video for you. This is a trading robot which has perfect looking backtests. Is it a scam or not? This is the Paris 2021 trading robot. Now there is both a MT4 and a MT5 version of the trading robot, and it's always good to see that there is a live signal. We'll look at that later. This trading robot is for euro dollar and pound dollar. It says it can go on any time frame because it trades the same way. This means that it is hard-coded to trade a particular time frame. So looking at the product description page, this is a 2-in-1 adaptive algorithm. I think the 2 means that it works on the euro dollar and pound dollar, and it doesn't say how it's adaptive. I'd be curious to know, as there are limitations to what the MQI language can do without external components, of which this doesn't have. It's been optimized from 2016 and boasts a 99% winning trade rate. So I had previously tested the Cairo trading robot by this author and did find some discrepancies in my testing when running the history shift test, which looks for backtest manipulation. Let's see what we'll find with this one. So with the backtest, I'll be running the standard or control backtest, and then I'll be looking for any signs of backtest manipulation with the history shift and the symbol shift tests. I'm going to do this on the euro dollar and the pound dollar pairs on the hourly time frame. I'll be using Tick Data Suite for high quality backtesting and fixing the spread and turning off the execution delay to get as similar conditions as possible for comparison. On Eurodollar, I'm pleased to say that the control, history shift and symbol shift tests all passed. As you can see, they all look pretty much the same. In the product page, it says that it was optimized from 2016, so I thought I'd run the Eurodollar backtest from 2013 to see what this looks like. Where I've circled, you can see it's had more losses outside of the optimization zone, but it's still profitable, which is rather impressive. Then I thought I'd run it from 2005. From 2005 to 2011, it doesn't do too much, but it doesn't lose. However, from 2011, it's profitable for 10 years. Overall, really good results with this pair. Now on to the pound dollar pair. The control and history shift backtests show 100% win rates. However, it's when we run the symbol shift test is when we see its true colors. We get an entirely different looking result, as you can see. This is the true backtest result we are seeing with the pound dollar. I wanted to double check this, so I ran this test twice with 2 different symbols and got exactly the same result. This unfortunately means that the backtest results have been manipulated for this pair, and I'm going to talk more about this in the summary. Then we'll move on to the live signal. As of this video, it's only been running for 5 weeks and not looking great. In its short time, it's already taken 2 losses, both from the pound dollar, which is in line with the true backtest results I showed you in the previous slide. So moving on to the summary, we are seeing manipulation of the pound dollar results, and this is being played out in the live signal. When we have seen manipulation of the backtest results for the Cairo trading robot, I had a couple of messages from people who turned up to be the moderators for his trading robots on his Telegram channel, complaining about my video. I asked these people to run these tests themselves and see the result. Look at the live signal, 2 losses already in 5 weeks, when in the backtest it's shown 0 losses this year so far. I am merely showing you what I am seeing from my tests to allow people to make a more informed choice. After your testing, you should tell the people on the Telegram channel you moderate your findings. You owe it to the 700 odd people on the Telegram channel. Now the Eurodollar testing and results have shown fantastic results and passed the tests. However, given what I've seen in the pound dollar results, I don't have confidence in it. Trading robot authors can get around these tests, but with the current testing methods, I'm not able to prove otherwise. If the Eurodollar is the real deal, what I don't understand is why this trading robot wasn't released just for the Eurodollar pair. It would have certainly passed all the tests I threw at it, and I may have even considered buying it for myself. Other takeaways. It has a fixed 6 pip profit versus a 66 pip stop loss. So a 11-to-1 risk to reward ratio. You need 12 times more wins than losses for it to be profitable. Also, there are no optimization options, and that, along with the hard-coded time frame, means that the author has hidden how this trading robot works. We don't know what indicators it's using and what time frame. It's a way to protect the IP, I understand this, as otherwise there would be a heap of copycat trading robots, especially for the Eurodollar pair with this. And quickly, what are these tests I'm running? These are the history shift test, which trick the trading robot to think it's running a different time period for the backtests. Then the symbol shift test, which tricks the trading robot to think it's trading a different symbol. Both these tests help identify any hard coding of time periods or symbols to do certain things to falsify backtest results. If you want to learn more about how to run these tests for yourself, with my mini course on Udemy, you can visit the link on the screen. And that's it for this video. I hope you find this useful, and don't forget to like and subscribe. If you like my work, please consider supporting me at my Patreon page, link on the screen. Thanks so much. See you at the next video.